A new thunderstorm, just like funny, coming again to ruin, with heavy wind devastating, followed by severe flood and rain. To Australia, name is Anne. In Coral Sea towards Queensland, they cause heavy loss there. But no worries, we are safe here. Within 48 hours, it's surely coming. To Pen 19, I'm now warning. Like our videos and subscribe this channel for news and information more. With Pen 19, live lively life. Get ready never to be bored.